Hi, good evening all. Now this afternoon evening was very exciting. Carlos, I cannot believe how well he rode on our 9-1 winner in Gunston and the following race, which he didn't give me, and I didn't really think he had much chance when he won out on another 16-1 winner. And then in the last race, where we really fancied him, he then just got beaten very close to the posts. But we should have had a good day. I know that some of you actually took doubles and trebles again. I must try and wean you off that, because you should have had a profitable day today. Although 9-1 was available at the off, basically you would probably have only got 6 or 7-1 had you played it with confidence a little bit earlier. But that should definitely have been enough to make a profit on the day. So try and listen to me when I tell you, don't be greedy. Just make a profit, because that's how you're going to last in the long term, and you'll build up your stakes, and you'll build up your kitty by doing that. Okay, tomorrow is the big race day at Fairview. They've come down for the weekend, all the big knobs are down here, etc. And it's the Algoa Cup, which is in race 7. Now, it's a difficult race. I've looked at it. I don't like many of the other races, and some of the people that I wanted to be riding are not riding. But for the Algoa Cup, I'm going to go for a 20-1 shot. This is good news if we win, but not much good if it loses. So play carefully. I would say that you're probably the better bet for you would be to put say you're betting 300 Rand, for instance, would be to put 100 Rand to win and 200 Rand a place. That would be the safest bet. Okay, it should be a good race, and I'm going for number 2, Fire in the Belly. This is Greg Sheen is riding for Alan Cliff again. They rode he's ridden the horse several times before. In fact, he's won 3 times out of 6 with this horse, and he knows the horse. But there are a lot of contenders, and I think that trying to find you the winner of the big race is probably exciting, rather than trying to find perhaps a winner for just a small maiden race tomorrow. So that's it for this evening. Have a good night, and I'm going to be making a video of Carlos's winners today, because I've got his friends now in Peru are asking me to show them the winners because they're so excited about it. So I'm going to make the winners. I'm going to make the videos of often when Carlos rides, and I'm going to be posting them so they can see it in Peru as well. Okay, good night, sleep well, and I'll speak to you all in the morning.